If you're moving to London with children, choosing the right neighborhood may be even more important than choosing the right home. Some families prioritize green space, some want excellent schools, others want a strong international community or easy access to London's business districts. Today we're exploring some of London's best neighborhoods for families and grouping them by lifestyle, helping you decide which area might be the right fit for your family. And be sure to stay to the end because I'm also sharing one hidden gem that many international buyers have never heard of, but which could offer some of the best value and family living in Northwest London. Hi everyone, I'm Arinzeh, founder of Onyx Property Team. We're a London-based real estate agency helping clients, especially international clients, relocate to London. One of the first questions that people often ask is, where should I live? Well, the answer depends entirely on your priorities. So rather than simply giving you a list of neighborhoods, I'm going to group these areas by the type of lifestyle they offer. We'll cover some of London's most established family neighborhoods, including Hampstead and St. John's Wood, Chiswick and West Hampstead, but we'll also share with you a final surprise that really makes these lists. Despite offering some beautiful period homes, strong transport connections, and excellent value relative to some of its more famous neighbors. Let's start off with Hampstead, the green space champion. If your priority is greenery, village atmosphere, and quality of life, Hampstead is hard to beat. Many families describe it as feeling more like a village than part of a city of nearly 10 million people. The neighborhood centers around a charming high street filled with independent cafes, restaurants, and local businesses, creating a strong sense of community that's increasingly difficult to find in major global cities. But the real star of the show is Hampstead Heath. Spanning nearly 800 acres, Hampstead Heath is one of London's most extraordinary green spaces and one of the reasons the area has remained so desirable for generations. Families have access to woodlands, walking trails, open meadows, ponds, playgrounds, and some of the best panoramic views anywhere in London from Parliament Hill. For many international buyers, it's difficult to believe that such an expansive natural landscape exists so close to central London. In many ways, Hampstead Heath functions as the neighborhood's backyard. It's where families walk their dogs, meet friends for coffee, exercise, picnic, explore nature, and spend weekends together. Combined with excellent schools, beautiful period properties, and easy access into central London, it's easy to understand why Hampstead remains one of London's most sought-after family neighborhoods. If Hampstead is about greenery and village charm, St. John's Wood is about elegant family living with a strong international community. One of the biggest draws is the American School in London, which has attracted international families for decades. As a result, St. John's Wood is one of London's most beautiful green spaces, as well as excellent local amenities and a relaxed residential atmosphere. Connectivity is another major advantage. The Jubilee line provides efficient access to Bond Street, Green Park, Westminster, London Bridge, and Canary Wharf, making it particularly attractive for professionals working in London's key business districts. For many overseas families, St. John's Wood offers the ideal balance between international convenience and traditional London charm. At number 3, we're going to feature Notting Hill. Notting Hill offers a completely different type of family lifestyle. This is for families who want character, culture, and energy. Visitors know Notting Hill for Portobello Road and the colorful houses, but residents know it for the garden squares, excellent schools, and strong sense of community. Families enjoy easy access to both Holland Park and Kensington Gardens, while the neighborhood itself offers a wonderful mix of cafes, restaurants, boutiques, and local businesses. It's vibrant and cosmopolitan, yet still feels surprisingly family-friendly. For many international buyers, Notting Hill represents the quintessential London lifestyle. If you're looking for a more relaxed pace of life, Chiswick deserves serious consideration. Situated in West London along the Thames, Chiswick has become one of the capital's most popular neighborhoods for families. What makes Chiswick particularly appealing is how livable it is. The heart of the area is Chiswick High Road, one of London's best local high streets. Stretching for nearly a mile, it's lined with independent cafes, restaurants, bakeries, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're grabbing a morning coffee, meeting friends for lunch, enjoying dinner with family, or simply running errands, much of the daily life can be done on foot. It's the sort of neighborhood where people actually use their high street rather than simply passing through it. Families are also drawn to the area's excellent green spaces. Chiswick House and Gardens provides beautiful landscape grounds and open space, while Gunnersbury Park offers sports facilities, playgrounds, and room for children to explore. The Thames Path is another major attraction, providing scenic walks, cycling routes, and riverside cafes. One of the reasons international families often gravitate toward Chiswick is that it offers a lifestyle that feels familiar. For those relocating from cities such as New York, Toronto, Sydney, or Vancouver, Chiswick's combination of family houses, green space, community, and walkability can feel immediately comfortable. Another reason why Chiswick has become increasingly popular with families is it offers excellent value relative to some of London's more established prime family neighborhoods. While areas such as Hampstead, St. John's Wood, and Notting Hill command significant premiums, buyers in Chiswick can often secure larger homes, more outdoor space, and family-oriented lifestyles at a more accessible price point. For many families, particularly those relocating from overseas, that combination of space, community, and value can be incredibly compelling. It provides many of the benefits of London while feeling noticeably less hectic than more central locations. For families looking for balance, Chiswick is one of the strongest contenders in the city. Speaking of value, at number 4, West Hampstead has become increasingly popular among young families and professionals looking for excellent connectivity without paying Hampstead prices. The area offers a strong local community centered around West End Lane with cafes, restaurants, and independent businesses, creating a lively neighborhood atmosphere. West Hampstead's greatest strength is its transport connectivity. Very few areas in London are as well connected. Residents benefit from 3 separate rails, all within walking distance of one another: the Jubilee Line, Overground, and Thames Link. This means direct access to Canary Wharf, London Bridge, Westminster, the City, King's Cross, Luton Airport, and beyond. For professionals commuting into London's major business districts, it's also one of the most convenient locations. And the Jubilee Line provides fast access to Canary Wharf and Westminster, making it particularly attractive for those working in finance, government, or professional services. Meanwhile, the Thames Link offers direct connections north and south through the city, reaching destinations including St. Pancras International, Farringdon, Gatwick Airport, and Brighton. Families also benefit from local parks, good schools, and easy access to Hampstead Heath, which is just a short distance away. For many buyers, West Hampstead provides an attractive combination of lifestyle, convenience, and relative value. Now, my 4th category, that is our hidden gem. And Mapesbury conservation, one neighborhood that rarely appears on lists like this but deserves consideration, it's Mapesbury. Located between West Hampstead, Brondesbury, and Willesden Green, Mapesbury is one of Northwest London's most attractive conservation areas. The neighborhood is characterized by wide tree-lined streets, substantial Edwardian homes, and a strong sense of community. What makes Mapesbury particularly interesting is value. Compared with neighboring Hampstead, St. John's Wood, or Notting Hill, buyers can often secure significantly more space for their money. The Jubilee Line at Kilburn Station provides excellent access into central London, while nearby West Hampstead offers additional transport connections. It might not have the international profile of some of the other neighborhoods we've discussed today, but for families looking for space, character, and community, Mapesbury is absolutely worth considering. So in summary, what's fascinating about London is that there isn't one perfect neighborhood for families. The right choice depends entirely on the lifestyle you're looking for. If you want greenery and village charm, Hampstead is difficult to beat. If international schools and connectivity matter most, St. John's Wood is a standout choice. If you're looking for culture and character, Notting Hill may be the answer. Or for a more relaxed riverside lifestyle, consider Chiswick. And if value and connectivity are priorities, West Hampstead deserves attention. And ultimately, if you're looking for an underrated hidden gem, don't overlook Mapesbury. The key isn't about finding the best neighborhood, it's about finding the neighborhood that's best for your family. If you're considering a move to London and you'd like help navigating the market, feel free to get in touch. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know which London neighborhood you'd like me to explore next.